Ever wonder why we say cats have 9 lives? It's a saying that's been around for centuries. This idea probably comes from how incredibly agile and resilient cats are. You've seen them, right? Leaping from high places and always landing on their feet. It's like they have a superpower. This amazing ability is called the riding reflex. It lets them twist their bodies midair to land safely. The number 9 is also special. In many cultures, 9 is considered a lucky or magical number. So, when you combine a cat's uncanny survival skills with the magic of the number 9, you get the famous myth. Of course, cats only have one life, but their talent for getting out of tricky situations makes it seem like they have plenty to spare. What other cat myths have you heard? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.